week 2 at Will and Wonder Farm, and Connecticut decided to hit us with a blizzard we haven't seen in over a decade. 2 feet of snow. I panicked. I had AC build a temporary wind wall to block the worst of it. And then when the storm hit, the sheep stood in the middle of the blizzard, just right out in the middle. The wall didn't block the wind, it didn't block the snow. By morning, the barn was packed with snow and the sheep were packed with snow, and they looked at me like, so what? Not stressed, not cold, not even slightly inconvenienced. Turns out those Valais Blacknose fleeces aren't just cute, they're serious insulation. The sheep were fine. It was me, the shepherd, who needed a blanket and a deep breath. Big moment this week, we finally released Glacier, our feral barn cat. She'd been locked in the barn for about 6 weeks to imprint, and my biggest fear was that she'd bolt the second we opened the door. She didn't. She stayed. That is the good news. The bad news, she has zero interest in hunting. She sits on her cat condo and watches the mice run by like it's Netflix. Doesn't flinch, doesn't pounce, just watches. The sheep are doing amazing. Kassi now expects scratches and kisses every single time I walk into the barn. What I have not figured out yet is hay. Too much, they waste it, pull it out, trample it, redecorate with it. Too little, and I get the stare. You know the stare, 3 sets of eyes that say, we'd like to speak with the manager. I'm still trying to find that sweet spot. Here's what's coming next. We have 2 new sheep arriving, Ivy and Ian, both 7 months old. Now, logistics are getting complicated because Ivy and Ian were supposed to arrive during the blizzard, but they are delayed, which means the new llama is going to have to arrive before them. And llamas don't do well alone, so we're putting him in the breeding pen temporarily until the sheep get here. I'm not going to lie. I'm stressing about the transport. Are they going to be scared? Are they going to be okay? I think this is the part where I'm supposed to develop thick farmer skin, but I currently do not have that. I'm working on it. That's week 2. Blizzard survived, barn cat freed, hay math still unsolved, and we're just getting started. Hit subscribe if you want to follow along. Week 3 is going to be a big one.